Welcome to our Adult Summer Reading Program 2023. Every week this summer, we are bringing you a new craft or informational video for you to enjoy. Our video this week is all about making butterfly origami. Thank you for joining us this week. Don't forget to stop by and pick up your craft kit with everything you need to make your butterfly origami. I hope you will bring some of your creations to the library to add to our library community butterfly garden. And there is still plenty of time to sign up for our adult summer reading program on Read Squared. You can do it online through our website or stop by the information desk here at the library. Join us next week for our next video. Bye!